Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
A current of 0.5 ampere flows through a metallic wire for 2 hours, then how many electrons flow through the wire? Very easy and direct question. We know for charge Q, there are two fundamental equations. One equation is Q is equal to Ne. Total charge Q is equal to Ne, where now N is number of electron and E is charge of electron. And also you know Q is equal to IT, where I is current and T is time. So this is equation number 1, equation number 2. So equate the RHS part. So what you will get? Ne is equal to IT. Correct, right? Now what you have to find? Number of electron. So what is that? N is equal to I into T by E. So what is I here? Very easy. 0.5 ampere. Correct. What is time here? 2 hours. Convert it into second. How? 2 into 60 into 60 by what is charge of 1 electron? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now you have to calculate this, okay? On calculating, you will get 2.25 into 10 raised to 22 electrons. Hope all of you understand. It is very easy, right? If you know these two equations, which two? Q is equal to Ne and Q is equal to IT, you can very easily do this. Okay.